Hi everyone, my name is Jackie Graves and I'm a junior marketing major and management minor at the College of Business here at Nebraska. I'm in here right now, but I'm just here today just to talk a little bit about an experience I got to do with the College of Business. So I'm part of the Center for Sales Excellence, and through that I got to participate in a real world selling event. So every year the Center for Sales Excellence actually hosts a golf tournament all run by students. So we sell the spots to participate and the sponsorships, and I was able to network with professionals, really just get to know some businesses across the Lincoln community, and I was able to sell a $500 sponsorship for the College of Business Center for Sales Excellence Golf Tournament, which is really just a great experience to add to my resume and really just good real life experience that I've gotten to do through the College of Business. So I'm super grateful for this opportunity, and I just love that the College of Business has experiences like this, especially through different classes. So thank you guys for listening.